Hi everyone, this is Emre Sokullu. I'm the creator of the Social Beans project. Social Beans is basically scaling portability across the growing number of social media publishing platforms. It's not easy to understand it just from this description, I know. That's why I'll try to give you a quick demo and hopefully you'll get a better understanding of the concept. Okay, let's start. Here I share my screen with you. Okay, we're ready. This social application is called Cloggers, and it's basically a planet for Cambodian bloggers, Web2 bloggers. And it also has some side features such as the forum, a map, a wiki, a photo album, and so on. These are all called skeleton features of the script, these modules, and this navigation system here that you see, the blocks that you see on the right side, the widgets, and the preference of the group admin to display only the truncated blog entries and not the whole ones. These are all skeleton parts of this site. So everything except the data is a skeleton of this project. So if I want this of this site, sorry. So if I want to start a group for Californian bloggers, I'd like to have something very similar to that, right? So what Social Beans allows me to do is I can view the source code of it, and the source code is in XML format. It's not like HTML. It's not as low level as HTML or PHP or SQL. It's created just for social applications. It has all the common denominators of them, and I can just copy it into my computer, into my hard drive, and then I can import it in the group creation, in the new application creation process. Let's take a look before going forward. Let's take a look at the source code of this group, right? Social Beans source code, of course. As you can see, we have the default module here, the template, the moderation, the navigation part, the modules, the title, the moderation per module, the way the data is sorted, the features of the module, the subscription, and so on. And also the roles of the members, the membership styles, and everything. So these are all defined in this Social Beans source code. It's a very open standard. It can be applied to anything. It can be applied to a wiki only, to a blog, or to yourself social network, to anything. So, and here's the group application creation process. Here we can import the file that we just downloaded. As you can see, if I click the finish button here after entering the Californian bloggers entries here, I end up with a group, with a generic group, and that's not what I want. I want something which is going to look like this Cambodian bloggers, right? I don't need the data, but I need the skeleton. So I enter the file that I've just downloaded here, and I click the finish button, and I end up with something like that. It has the template that I want, it has the menu that I want, the modules that I want, the default module being the blocks, the blocks, the right section which is the same as I want, and so on. Only the data is not there, which is also what I want, so that I can call my Californian blogger friends and we can produce content for this group. So that's it. That's Social Beans. It's not only available for groups. We've also created plugins for open source platforms like MediaWiki and WordPress. But using the standards, you can extend it to any other platform. And here's a real world example from WordPress. It's very easy to enable it. You just go to your group, to your WordPress admin panel, and you choose the plugin section, and you add the new one. It's very easy, and after that, you get your Social Beans source here, so that you can copy it and you can port it to any other platform. So that allows you to get a group from one platform to another one, as well as you can copy a platform that you like on a platform on the same platform, and you can have your own. So that's basically it. Hopefully you got a better understanding of it. Social Beans is an open source project. It's available on www.socialbeans.org. You can contribute to it, especially if you're a social media publishing platform. You're more than welcome. Thanks for listening.